So for class today, we're doing a rhetorical analysis practice. We will be doing rhetorical analyses of the following web pages: Target, Walmart or Kroger, and Amazon Prime. We will be looking at the home pages of these and thinking about who is the target audience, how can you tell, are they being rhetorically persuaded, and rhetorical elements. What rhetorical elements do you see in action? We'll be focusing on the following terms that we discussed last class. First being rhetorical situation, which is the context of the rhetorical event. This includes audience, location, and especially exigency. Exigency is the reason, the urgency behind the rhetorical event or the rhetorical action. I also want you to be paying specific attention to audience. Think specifically, not generally, about your target audience. Who is being called upon, approached, and persuaded, and especially in terms of who is being marketed to. What are they being asked to buy? How do you know? How are they being asked to navigate the web page? And then, finally, we have these 4 appeals. Ethos has in large part to do with credibility. Pathos has to do in large part with emotion and energy response. Logos has to do with senses of logical order, logical thought in artistic proofs, right? And then finally, Kairos, which is probably our newest term, has to do with timeliness, urgency. It's both time and space as they contribute to the persuasiveness of a rhetorical act or rhetorical call. So again, we're going to be looking at the following 3 apps: Target, Kroger or Walmart, and Amazon Prime. I've created the following task list for you. First, I want you to download 3 of the 4 apps that I've listed. This could also include Kroger, so that we have Target, Walmart or Kroger, and Amazon. I then want you to conduct and write notes on your rhetorical analysis of all 3 home pages. Write up a 200 to 50 word brainstorming rhetorical analysis of each homepage, or perhaps just 2 out of the 3 that you looked at. This can be a comparison model or just separate analyses. Then I want you to post on discussion post 1. I want you to note that you will not be able to see any of your peers' content or posts until you yourself have posted. Then finally, I want you to thoughtfully comment on 2 of your classmates' posts. Focus on connections, new insights, or disagreements that you see between your work. Please post on someone else's post that has not gotten any feedback yet, because we want to make sure that everyone has an opportunity to get feedback. The next class, we will be discussing how this relates to our next assignment within the course.